One thing most people don't realize is that you can literally change how you think. You can rewire your brain and develop a mindset that helps you learn faster, retain more, achieve whatever you set your mind to. But most of us go through life learning slowly, painfully, and inefficiently. We spend hours reading books, watching videos, sitting through lectures, but forget almost everything a week later. It's like pouring water into a leaky bucket. Therefore, if you want to achieve your dreams faster, you don't just need to learn things, you need to learn how to learn things. That's what meta learning is, understanding the process of learning itself so you can accelerate your learning curve. The sooner you start, the more it'll compound over time. A fun question Tim Ferriss once asked is, if a genie ever offered you a wish, what's the one wish everyone should wish for? Now, the clever answer is more wishes. And it's the same with learning. If you know how to learn effectively, every other skill becomes easier. It's like unlocking unlimited wishes for your brain. So here's what meta learning looks like in practice. You could learn speed reading, which may double or even triple your read speed. You can learn memory techniques, so you can remember twice as much without endless repetition. Boost your creativity. Train your mind to connect ideas in new ways. These are just some of the kind of skills that will give you a learning boost. Learn them once and they'll serve you for a lifetime. If you just want quick tips for your learning toolbox, subscribe here. I share regularly. But if you'd like a more structured system to go deeper, check out my courses. Links are in the description below. First 100 people to use the links will get free access. So remember, learning doesn't have to be slow, boring, or frustrating. With the right approach, you can learn smarter, not harder, and unlock the skills that take you anywhere you want to go. Keep learning faster and smarter, and we'll see you around.